Hey guys, today we are going to try the bald cap method. Okay, honestly, I have been avoiding this. Why? One, I don't even like wearing these caps. Ideally, they dry out your hair, if you didn't know. So this is not something I practice doing. I do it when I really need to. But other than that, it's not really like my habit. Two, I don't like things just like stuck in my head, and I'm not a heavy product person. So we're gonna go against all my comfort zones, and we're just gonna give this a try. It's not like I need to keep it on my head for like a month. Like, I'm just gonna try it out, see how it goes. And today I'm gonna be using hair from WowAfrican.com. No, that wasn't a good theme song at all. Anyways, it's been a while since I've just done like a straight middle part situation. Ooh. Let me tell y'all, these wigs, ooh, she feels nice, doggy, nice. These wigs coming with the band are everything. Like, WowAfrican, shout out to you, especially because it's not just the regular band it's coming with. It's coming with this like bra strap band that's adjustable. It's so thick. Like, this bad boy looks secure for my liking. So this was a lace front, not a full lace wig. So it's got the rose all around there, as you can see. We got the clips, all the securities that we need, and this amazing band. Pre-plucked and bleached. I might have to do zero work right now, and I'm kind of excited because this is looking like I didn't even have to put on a band. Okay, WowAfrican. Put this to the side, and let's work on this part. All right. So, how's your day? How you guys doing? What do you want to talk about? Comment below, let me know if you guys have tried this method out, how you feel about it, if you like it or not. I think it probably is meant for me just because like I've always told you guys, like, I don't have the most amount of hairline, like forehead space. Although sometimes I look at pictures and go, oh yeah, you good girl, you got lots of space on your forehead. And then other times, like when I'm actually trying to do the wigs, I'm like, girl, it's like, because of where my hair is, like I have hair down to like here. And I'm a believer in edges being saved and cared for, and I don't care how little bit there might be there. You need to take care of them. Oh God. Like, even the idea right now of putting on this spray like all over my hairline is making me nervous. Let me not have bad vibes about this. Let me just do what I gotta do without being negative or scared. Sorry, my other concern is when I take it off, I'm just gonna have to take it off when I wash my whole head, because all I'm thinking about is any friction on my edges at all, and I'm coming for somebody. Myself? Because who did this to you? Mickey, but you did this to yourself, so who could I really come for? Alright guys, I can't wait anymore. I've been drying this thing and it's just like taking forever. AKA, your girl used too much product. Ugh, I went too low too. Like, why am I doing, you see, this is what happens when you do something without really truly wanting to do it. You don't attract the things that you need, which is a smooth process. Look how low I went. Why? Oh my God. Ugh. This isn't for me, yo, this life. Like, I don't know. Let me just chill out. Let me just chill out for a second. I know I'm dramatic. I know. Lord, pray for my edges, y'all. Pray for my edges that I have them after this. I'll put a little bit more of this. As I already said, I had too much product. Let me add more. We gonna need some kind of makeup, because right now, as you can see, it's looking hella white. In real life, it actually doesn't look as white as it's looking right now, but nonetheless, I see white. Use my good foundation for this. Cha. Oh, too red. When it's on my face, it don't look so red though. This is mud. Mud, mud, mud. All right, well, let's carry on. Let's get the hair. Okay, we got the hair. Oh God, these bands are incredible. Wow, I feel so secure. Ooh, girl, ooh. We got color showing through. This might be worth it. This might be worth it. We're gonna see how this looks without me tweezing anything. As much as I have product anxiety right now, I'm just like, but the scalp though. You know what I mean? The scalp. Let's get the rest of this gelled on. I'm gonna just use a bit of this. I'm so messy with this right now. I'm definitely gonna have to clean up my whole hairline after. I think for me too, I have to cut the middle of the wig. Like right here. My hairline isn't as equal. Like my hairline is a little bit further back right there. Yeah. Got my WowAfrican comb. Feels easier to situate baby hairs, that's for sure. But I'm also not a big baby hair person. You guys already know that. But I like a little something, something. Okay, let's set this up. I'm just like moving back some of this hair. I feel like this calls for the band today instead of the sandy strip because it's like a little more narrow and it has a little more pressure. The sandy strip is nice, but it definitely is more soft, like it's more fragile. Lord God. Patience, Makiba. Out of the way. Okay. While that's cooking, I'm actually gonna clean up some of this because why? I went way too far out right here. Okay. Alright, we're cooking under here. We're gonna see how this comes out. Okay. We're gonna stick with this middle part. Foam it out. This hair feels so good. It's really lightweight, but has so much body. Alrighty. I cannot tell you guys the last time I had a middle part, bone straight, 22-inch silky hair. Okay guys, we're finally here at the end. Yo, I'm so hot right now. Just a little bit. Okay, we got partings with scalps. I don't know if I would say it's entirely low maintenance. I do think it does give you a different look. It's definitely worth it if you're going to be somebody, especially who's going to be keeping this on their head. I'm a take on and off person at night, so I'm even a little nervous about the fact that am I going to have to sleep in this tonight for it to be worth it? She's so serious, this girl. You know what I mean? Like, I don't play. Does she need like a lip color? Like a red lip or something? Yeah. I think she does. Okay, she's cute. Guys, once again, we need a name for her. What is her name? Sierra, Nicole, Monique, something. Oh man. I tried to fix my brow. And you know, you try to fix it and it just turns into not it. And you cause more damage than good. Ooh. Ooh. Leave it alone now. Leave it alone. Okay, I'm gonna leave it alone. She needs earrings. Okay, she back with some earrings, honey. And she feeling like, ooh. Ooh. Ah. What do you guys think? Comment below, let me know what her name should be. And if you guys have tried the bald cap method, what do you guys think? Do you think it's worth the time and the effort? I think it's good if you are trying to keep the hair attached to your head for a few days or an install even. Maybe I should try that with like a sew-in or something. Anyways, guys, comment below, let me know if there's another method or something else that you guys want me to try, a color, anything. Comment below, let me know, and I can, you know, go over that and see. Alright guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Shout out to WowAfrican for making my life so easy, because honestly guys, I really didn't have to do much to this hair. I really didn't. And like, the fact that I didn't have to bleach no knots, I barely even tweezed. Barely. Alright guys. that is all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe because it's popping, it's lit, and it's where you want to be. Be. Alright, I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste!
Whispered that she don't drink, said the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think, so think what you want. She had me a thing.